Welcome to Grammar Lessons from BM English Speaking.
Present perfect tense, Purna Vartaman Kal. Let us study present perfect tense. Let's look at this example. Rohan. Rohan plays cricket every day. रोहन रोज क्रिकेट खेलता है. यह हुआ सादा वर्तमान काल प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस. रोहन इज प्लेइंग क्रिकेट. राइट नाउ वो क्रिकेट खेल रहा है. यह हुआ चालू वर्तमान काल प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. ही हैज प्लेड क्रिकेट. वह क्रिकेट खेल चुका है. खेलने की क्रिया पूर्ण हो चुकी है. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस. ही हैज प्लेड क्रिकेट. Let's look at another example. Geeta sleeps for 8 hours. गीता रोज 8 घंटे सोती है. सादा वर्तमान काल प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस. She is getting up. प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. She has woken up. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस. वह जाग चुकी है. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस पूर्ण वर्तमान काल. जागने की क्रिया पूर्ण हो चुकी है. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस. रोहन क्रिकेट खेल चुका है. खेलने की क्रिया पूर्ण हो चुकी है. He has completed playing cricket. That's why it's called present perfect tense. Let's understand the structure of a sentence in present perfect tense. First, we'll study the positive, then the negative, and then the questions. Positive statements. With I, we, you, they, we'll use have. With he, she, it, we'll use has. And then the third form of verb, driven, done, run, played, etc. For example, I have driven a car, we have driven a car, you have driven a car, they have driven a car. Which means ड्राइव करने की क्रिया अभी पूर्ण हो चुकी है. He has done the work. She has done the work. It has worked very nicely. He has done the work मतलब काम करने की क्रिया पूर्ण हो चुकी है. In negative sentences in present perfect tense, with I, we, you, they will use have not. With he, she, it, has not, and the third form of verb, which is driven, done, run, played, etc. I have not run 10 kilometers. We have not run 10 kilometers. You have not run 10 kilometers. They have not run 10 kilometers. He has not played cricket. She has not played cricket. And it has not played cricket. अभी प्रश्न बनाते हैं पूर्ण वर्तमान काल में. Let's frame questions in present perfect tense. Have I driven a car? Have we driven a car? Have you driven a car? Have they driven a car? So do notice that have will come before I, we, you, they. Has will come before he, she, it. Has he driven a car? Has she driven a car? Has it worked nicely? Present perfect tense tells about an activity in the past with the effect right now. कोई क्रिया जो हमने कुछ समय पहले शुरू की थी अभी पूर्ण हो चुकी है. Some action that we started in the past and either the result we have got right now or it has got completed in the present. चलिए, let's look at the structure of a sentence. We have bought the magazines, which means we were thinking which to buy. We went to the shop and we bought the magazine. We have bought the magazine. खरीदने की क्रिया पूर्ण हो चुकी है. With we use have in present perfect tense. Buy, bought, bought. The third form of buy is bought. We have bought the magazines. Let's look at the structure of a sentence in negative present perfect tense. She has not completed her work. With she, we use has. Negative is has not. Completed is a third form of complete. Complete, completed, completed. She has not completed her work. She is the subject. Has is the helping verb. Not is the negative word. Completed is the third form of verb. And object is her work. Let's look at the structure of a WH question in present perfect tense. Why has she returned the goods? She is the subject here. She के साथ हम यूज करेंगे has. Has आएगा she के पहले. Why has she return का थर्ड फॉर्म है return. Return, returned, returned. Why has she returned the goods? The format is WH question, the WH word, helping verb, then the subject, and then the third form of verb, and then the object. Let's look at some examples now. Have. I have applied for a passport. पासपोर्ट के लिए अप्लाई करने की क्रिया मैं पूर्ण कर चुका हूं. काफी दिन से पेपर जमा कर रहा था. पेपर जमा किए, फॉर्म्स लिए, फोटो लिए और मैंने पासपोर्ट के लिए मैं अप्लाई कर चुका हूं. I did the entire process of filling the form and have submitted my passport application. I have applied for a passport. With I we use have. Apply third form is applied. Let's look at another example with we. We have ordered a soup. With we use have. Order the third form is ordered a soup. You have decided your goals. With you we will use have. Decide the third form is decided. You have decided your goals. They. The managers have asked for an appraisal report. The manager means they. Have. With they we use have. Ask the third form is asked. The managers have asked for an appraisal report. Has. Jim has traveled abroad. For Jim we use he. With he we use has. He has. And travel the third form is traveled. He has traveled abroad. Simran has had a power nap. Simran की जगह हम यूज करेंगे she. She के साथ यूज करेंगे has. She has. Have का थर्ड फॉर्म होता है had. Simran has had a power nap. कभी कभी कंफ्यूजन होता है कि has के साथ had कैसे आएगा. Let's look at another example. Simran has completed a power nap. Simran has taken a power nap. इसी तरह से Simran has had a power nap. Our team has been to the finals. Our team की जगह सर्वनाम आएगा it. It के साथ has. To be का third form is been. Our team has been to the finals. Let's look at negative sentences in present perfect tense. Have not. I haven't applied for a passport. We have ordered a soup. The negative will be we haven't ordered a soup. You have decided your goals. You haven't decided your goals. The managers have asked for an appraisal report. The managers haven't asked for an appraisal report. Let's look at hasn't. Jim has traveled abroad. The negative is Jim hasn't traveled abroad. Simran has had a power nap. Simran hasn't had a power nap. Our team hasn't been to the finals. Let's look at the word order when we are framing a question. Why the WH word, and then the helping verb, then the subject, and then the third form of verb. Why has the music stopped? How often have you got marks above 80%? Where have the children decided to go for a picnic? Has Bhavna cut vegetables? Thank you.